Hey guys, it's She back today with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you where everything came from. So this video I'm filming on my iPhone, so forgive me if the quality is not the greatest. So let's get started. So I'm going to tell you where every single thing in the room came from, and I guess we'll start over here because it's less on these walls. So this little pom-pom garland I actually got from Walmart, and I absolutely love it. It's so cute. It'll be really nice for parties, but it looks even greater in her room. It was only $2.97, and I just love the fact that it brings a little bit of color into the room, and it's just fun and playful, and that's what Mackenzie wanted. She wanted fun, playful, and she wanted a big girl room, so I thought that little rainbow garland was cute and kind of went with the unicorn colorful rainbow theme that we have going on. So over here, this picture is from Ross. It says don't quit your daydream. We really love how it has all of these ombre colors, and me and Mackenzie are really big on sunsets, so it reminds us of like beautiful sunsets that we've seen. And then over here is the light plate. This light plate came from Hobby Lobby. It was on sale for 50% off, so I don't remember how much it was, but I think it's only like $6.99 regular price. So it was super cheap and inexpensive, and I just love how it has like the pink stripes across in the different shades of pink, and it just really adds a fun little element to this wall. It also came in blue as well. This dream catcher is from my new favorite place to shop, and that is Amazon. Love Amazon. I love Amazon Prime. I love how things come in 2 days. But I also saw this on AliExpress, guys, for $4. So I was like, do I wait 2 weeks and save money, or do I order it? And since I wanted it to come in time for the video, I went ahead and I ordered it. So it's cute. Normally you have dream catchers by your bed, but there just wasn't any space, so Mackenzie wanted to hang it here. Let me tell you guys something. Doing this room has definitely been a challenge because I don't know if you can see, but over here the carpet is severely damp because I spilled paint on the floor. And I spilled this gray paint on the floor because I actually, instead of just doing an accent wall, I decided I was going to paint all of this blue, okay? And it looked absolutely horrible. It made the room feel really super dark, and it took away from this being an accent wall. So word to the wise, if you're doing an accent wall, leave this as your accent. Do not paint the entire wall blue. So I had to paint all of this over gray and spilt paint on the floor. It was awful. Anyway, over here, guys, this I had in her last room tour. They both of these pieces came from Hobby Lobby. This I love. It has like a shabby chic weathered kind of look, and then it has the really beautiful glam knobs. So it looks like something that could have been made, but I actually got this from Hobby Lobby a few years ago. We love it. She hangs her backpack, her towel, and then she has her little unicorn robe that we got from Amazon. Guys, anything that I mentioned that is from Amazon, if you click the link in the description box, you can go and purchase all of these things. So even this little robe that came from Amazon or the dream catcher, it's on the link. She looks so cute and cozy in it. So yeah, this thing came from Hobby Lobby. And then also this beautiful ceramic crown came from Hobby Lobby as well. Next, I'm going to tell you guys about this rug. And stay tuned because I'm going to be doing a video very soon, guys, to tell you about all my favorite purchases from Amazon this year. And this is definitely one of my favorite. This rug is absolutely gorgeous. I wanted something with oriental vibes that had lots of color, and that if she's in here doing slime and all the other stuff that stains the carpet, she could do it on the rug. We can easily get it out of the rug, and you know, stains are going to blend in pretty well. So I wanted something really bright and colorful with lots of colors that we could play off of, and this worked out perfectly because her favorite color is blue, but she asked for a lot of pink in her room. So the rug, I feel like we'll be able to constantly change her room, add new comforters, curtains, whatever, and the rug is always going to go. So this came from Amazon. It is a 5x7 rug. I thought it was 6x9, but it's 5x7, and I paid like $74 for it. Absolutely worth it. It's a polypropylene rug. The only thing we need to do is get some rug tape so it can stop sliding all over the place, because that is super annoying. All right, moving on. I guess now we'll go to this desk. This desk came from Wayfair.com. I purchased it a few years ago so that she would have somewhere to do homework. color, do slime, and she never sits at it. Never. So eventually this will be going away and I'll find something more useful for her room. But for now, it came with silver knobs or gold knobs. I believe it was like $170 something. Over here in this drawer, she just has like coloring books, extra paper. Look at her little school pictures. I can't believe she wore this unicorn headband to school. But yeah, coloring books, all that kind of stuff she has in there. Then over here, guys, I actually organized this. I was super happy to find these at the Dollar Tree. So they're just trays that go inside of the drawer and they actually fit perfect. So she has all her school stuff. And then she has the remote, which I'm going to tell you guys how special this is later. And then she has the TV remote and some hand sanitizer. This drawer, I found these clear things at Dollar Tree. We're going to put all her Uno cards in there and stack them. So right now, this is kind of just the junk drawer until I'm able to find those containers. And then down here, she has her alarm clock. She won't need it for the next week. It's Thanksgiving break. And she has markers in here and crayons in there. And these came from the Dollar Tree. I really like them. It helps to keep her desk nice, neat, organized. So this chair, guys, I've also purchased a few years ago. That came from Ross. And I love it. It's metal. We don't have a ladder. I probably need to buy one with all the projects. Okay, there's no brace under. I probably need to buy one with all the projects that we do. But I pretty much use this chair to reach things, to stand on, to reach things. So when I was painting, hanging curtains, all that crap, I stand in this chair. And I believe it was about either $20 or $30 from Ross. Over here, this lamp she's had for a while. I got it from Burlington. And I'm actually in the process of doing like a DIY lamp that's going to replace this one. It's going to be really, really cute. And then this lampshade came off of a lamp that I had in my room. So it's just temporary. I don't know. I think the lamp was about maybe $20 to $30 from Burlington. Okay, guys, here are more Amazon finds. This is actually unicorn perfume. I got this for her birthday. It smells really, really good. Like, I'm going to spray it so y'all can smell it. Smell it? Smells so good. Right now it smells like alcohol. But when it dries, it's nice and florally and just smells like unicorns, glitter, and sparkle. But anyway, this mermaid box came from Amazon. It's so cute. And she has all of her little jewelry and stuff inside. And it actually winds up. So I love all the detailing. Look at that little mermaid detailing. But this will make a great Christmas gift for someone. They had a unicorn one, but it wasn't available, so I got her the mermaid one. So yeah, that's from Amazon. Link on my store if you guys want to buy it. I think Hobby Lobby. No. Yeah, Hobby Lobby actually. It was $12.99 in the party section. And I love like the rustic wood on it. That's the direction I really want to move into next time around. But she's had this for a while. It just says be the change you want to see in the world. So it's like art, and then it's also a piggy bank. So I absolutely love that. Don't know how to get the money out, but that's not the point. The point is for her to save. So her goal is to reach the top by the end of next year. So guys, the wall color is called Approaching Storm. It's a color place paint from Walmart. Did it in a flat finish. And I painted all of this myself, guys. I'm so proud of my clean lines. I used some painter's tape. And it really serves as an accent in her room. So it makes all of those colors pop. This is from Hobby Lobby. Don't remember how much. She's had this in her room before. This I got recently at TJ Maxx. I was so happy to find it because it severely matches everything in this room. Like, it's gorgeous, and I was like, she has to have this. It was only $29. This unicorn head is from Hobby Lobby. Guys, I don't know what I did, but I broke the horn, but thank God I was able to hot glue it back. That's from Hobby Lobby. I don't remember how much it is, but I did see it in there, so you're still able to get that if you want. This mirror is from At Home. It was white with like gold in it, so I decided to paint it yellow because I wanted to have like yellow accents throughout the room. And so I thought a fun way to bring out the yellow in the rug would be with the yellow in this mirror. The M is from Hobby Lobby. All these little cute beautiful flowers are from Hobby Lobby as well. I just saw that they just started selling this mini size. These are $1.99. You have to go in the party section to find them. They have blue, gold, white, all the colors. So I got a few additional flowers to go with her little piggy, and the piggy is from Ross for $9.99. The love sign I got from Hobby Lobby as well. It's in the unfinished wood section. And so what I did was I sprayed blue, and then I spray painted pink, and then I spray painted blue over that. And I did very light layers because I didn't want it to be like too finished. So yeah, so we have that love symbol on her wall. Now onto this headboard. This headboard though, isn't it just giving you life? This headboard is my favorite thing in her room. It is a rattan headboard. It's actually made in, I think, India or Indonesia. I can't remember. But I got it from Amazon.com. She initially wanted it painted pink, but everybody's been telling me to leave it white, and I think she's actually starting to enjoy it in white too. But later on, when she gets tired, we can actually paint it different colors. And so this headboard was $220. It's a twin size, and I got it from Amazon. I was super happy that when it arrived, because the quality, it's just really made nicely. The only cons I would say is it doesn't have any hardware to attach to the base, but the base is actually from Amazon as well, and it's 12 inches high. And we're going to be getting some clear like trays to slide stuff in under the bed so that she can have more storage room and it be hidden. And we're going to purchase a yellow bed skirt as well. It was only $56 from Amazon. And if you're looking for like a bed frame for your kid, don't get those tacky ones with the wheels. Get this one. It's much higher. You can store things underneath it. It was really easy to put together, and it's lightweight. Now the bedding actually came from Tuesday Morning, and I wanted her to have a quilt because quilts are lightweight, they're easy to fold, and they're inexpensive, so you don't have to worry about spending a ton of money on bedding. I just have her old comforter literally underneath. So this comforter is from Target. It's the confetti one. She's had it for a while. It had gold plates. As you can see, they faded, but this is reversible, so one day if she wanted all polka dots, she could do that. Quilt set just came with the quilt and the pillow sham. It was only $29.99. This furry blanket is from Walmart, so I just layered her bed so she can lay on this, and it's pretty soft and keeps her warm. And then she has her two comforters and quilts, and then she also has this little yellow blanket which I got from Ross for $9.99, and I just put it on her bed to serve as an accent. But when she's sitting in her chair, she can kind of use that to snuggle and stay warm, because we absolutely love blankets in this house. The chair is from Amazon as well, guys. This chair is a must-have. It was super easy to install. My friend just got a stud finder and found the stud. We had to go in the attic and look because the stud finder was reading things wrong. But anyway, we just installed it with literally one hook and two screws drilled into the stud. Really easy to put up. It's so comfortable. I often come in here and just sit and swing, and it gets on her nerves, but it's just nice and fun. I'll take the pillows out so you guys can see what it looks like. Not only can you use this in the kids' room, but you can use this outside. It's nice and large. He weighs over 200 pounds. He was able to swing in it. So it's just a really nice chair, and it's cute and comfortable. And I was like, when I was a little kid, I always wanted stuff like this in my room, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get it for her. And she absolutely loves it, and all her friends love to sit in it when they come over. Underneath the chair we have two rugs. The pink one was in my last bathroom makeover, and so I just layered it with this one, and I love this rug. Like, this rug is gorgeous. It was only $12.99. I got it from Burlington, and I got it mainly because it had those rainbow pom-pom balls, so I thought it would be a nice little cute accent. And I wanted to layer the rugs in her room just to give like more of a cozy vibe. Plus, the chair looked kind of empty just swinging there, so it was like, okay, what are we gonna do? So I added some rugs underneath it. So over here, this is her unicorn picture. I got this from Burlington. It was $29.99. Mackenzie, like most 9-year-olds, is obsessed with unicorns, and I thought this was pretty. It has nice florals. It also has glitter in the picture, But I love the fact that these flowers are 3D and kind of stick up off of the painting. So these curtains, guys, I adore these curtains. I asked y'all if I should do 95 or 84 and everybody said 95. And I always do 95 length curtains. Let me close this. I always do 95 length curtains in my house because I like that it makes the room feel larger. You know, I was being cheap. I was like, you know what? I don't feel like paying for 95. The 95-inch ones were like $60. The 84 were $26. So I was like, what in the world? Why such a big price difference? But it really just gives the room like a dramatic effect, you know. And I love the fact that they're so ruffly. I got these curtains from Amazon. They're by Lush Decor, the same people I got my shower curtain from. So if you haven't checked out my bathroom tour, check that out. This arrow I got from Hobby Lobby. At first it was all the lighter blue colors, but what I did was I spray painted this middle section yellow because, again, I wanted to accent more yellow in the room. So I think that turned out really nice. She had this in her room before. And so what you see hanging over the window are these stars. So Mackenzie's always used to ask for a nightlight. Not that she's afraid of the dark, but I think she just likes the ambiance that it creates. So I had a nightlight, but all of her outlets are pretty much covered. All of the outlets in the room are pretty much covered. So I thought these stars would be a nice little nightlight. And they are really nice, guys. These are from Amazon. You can use them outside, inside. I think all kids would absolutely love these in their room. I know I would have loved them in the room as a kid, and I know my daughter really enjoys them. I would love to show you how they work, but currently her room doesn't have any power. When I spilled the paint on the floor, I put a heater in here to dry the carpet. Then I started vacuuming the carpet, and so it knocked all the electricity out of her room. So I'm waiting on my friends to come over to repair her electricity issue. These come with a remote, and yeah, you can turn them on and off with the remote. So it's really nice. I love them, and she loves them too. Okay, so over here, guys, we have this mirror from Walmart. Me and Kenzie are going to be doing a DIY with it. That bag behind the mirror has flowers in it, and we wanted to just put flowers all over. Camera died. Over here we have this tassel garland. This came from Hobby Lobby. I don't remember how much we had it in her room before. And then these paintings are so special to us because we actually went to a paint bar, and at the paint bar they have family day, so me and Mackenzie painted unicorns. So, you know, it's one of those paint places where they kind of guide you and show you how to paint. So I love this because this was something that we did together, and Mackenzie really wanted to hang these up in her room. Now this is her dresser, and what I did was I painted it that same blue from the wall, and then we went ahead and redid the drawers in this lighter like mint color. I used that 250 paint from Walmart. This is Rust-Oleum's bright gold, and then this is like an apple barrel paint in the color pure pink. And then I repainted all of the hardware gold. We were always missing one of these. Well, not always. Somehow over the years, this little drawer piece broke off, and one of these pieces that the handle attaches to is missing. So we have this, we're just missing that. So this drawer down here is summer clothes, so that's not really clothes that have to be accessed. But that's what I just did for now. That way she's still able to use her dresser. But guys, this is just the real. If you have any suggestions what I could do for hardware, or if you've seen a site that sells vintage style hardware like this, let me know so that we can fix that ASAP. This came from Michael's. I believe it was $9.99. There's no batteries in it currently. And then over here we have this cute little rainbow. And this came from Hobby Lobby as well. It was $7.99, but I bought it during a 50% off sale. So anyway, guys, I hope that you enjoyed touring Mackenzie's room. This is just what we decided to do for her room. We wanted a big girl room that she could just really have fun and enjoy. She sleeps in here every night now. At first she wasn't sleeping in her room because she hated her bunk bed, but she loves this now. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it and got some inspiration for your kids' rooms. And if you want any of the products that I mentioned that were from Amazon, you can check them out by clicking the link in the description box. And I will see you guys in my next home decor video. Bye.